In this question, we have to find the quotient and remainder of this division here, the division of two polynomials using long division. So let's put this in long division form. So basically we would take our divisor, and then over here would be our dividend. So this big quintic function, x to the 5 plus 9x4 minus 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus x minus 5. So pretty large function that we are dealing with. So what we do here is we figure out how many times does x squared go into x to the 5? Well, x cubed times. And then we take this x cubed, multiply it by all the terms in the divisor. So x to the power 3 times x to the power 2, that gives us x to the power 5. X to the power 3 times 4x gives us 4x to the 4. And then this would be 2x cubed. And then we are subtracting this polynomial from that dividend. So x to the 5 minus x to the 5, those cancel out to 0. 9x to the 4 minus positive 4x to the 4 would give us 5x to the 4. And then negative 2x cubed minus 2x cubed would give us negative 4x cubed. And then let's bring this 7x squared down as well. So now we figure out how many times does x squared go into 5x to the 4? Well, it goes in 5x squared times. So we take this 5x squared, multiply by all the terms in the divisor again. So 5x squared times x squared gives us 5x to the 4. 5x squared times 4x gives us 20x cubed. And then 5x squared times 2 gives us 10x squared. Then we are subtracting this here. So negative 4 minus 20x cubed gives us negative 24x cubed. 7x squared minus 10x squared gives us negative 3x squared. And then let's bring this positive x down here. So how many times does x squared go into negative 24x cubed? Well, negative 24x times. Right, so the way I'm doing this, if you're wondering, so I got negative 24x cubed here, and I'm figuring out how many times does x squared go into it. So I'm basically dividing those. So x cubed divided by x squared would just give us x, and then negative 24 stays. So we get negative 24x. That's how I'm getting that there. So then what we do is we take this negative 24x, multiply it by all the terms in the divisor. So we would end up with negative 24x cubed. Negative 24x times 4x, that would give us negative 96x squared. And then negative 24x times 2 would give us negative 48x. Then we subtract these. So notice how the negative 24x cubes will cancel out. Negative 3x squared minus negative 96x squared. That's the same as negative 3x squared plus 96x squared, which would give us 93x squared. And then 1x minus negative 48x, that's the same as 1x plus 48x, which would give us 49x. And then bring down this negative 5 here. So how many times does x squared go into 93x squared? Well, 93 times. So then we take that positive 93, multiply by all the terms in the divisor. So 93 times x squared gives us 93x squared. 93 times 4x, that would give us 380, or rather 372x. And then 93 times 2 would give us 186. So then when we subtract these terms here, 93x squared minus 93x squared, those cancel out. 49x minus 372x, that would give us negative 323x. Then negative 5 minus 186 would give us negative 191. Notice how that's our remainder because x squared can't go into negative 323x. This here is a lower degree. So, final answer, what's our quotient? Our quotient is what we get up top here. So it's this x cubed plus 5x squared minus 24x plus 93. And then our remainder is what we get at the bottom there, negative 323x minus 191. And notice how the remainder is 1 degree less than our divisor, right? The remainder has a degree of 1, divisor has a degree of 2. So this remainder here makes sense.